In the softly lit bedroom, a haven of warmth and tranquility, Mom gently serves warm milk. Dad sits immersed in a book, the pages whispering tales of faraway land. Mirha beams at her little brother Hussain, her eyes sparkling with affection. Mirha's voice fills the room with anticipation as she announces, "Tonight, I'll tell you a magical story." Hussein's face lights up with excitement as he asks, "Appy, the one where the star comes?" The room is filled with anticipation, ready to welcome a world of magic and dreams. Bathed in the soft glow of lamplight, Mirha recounts a tale of a magical star. Hussein listens intently, his face alight with wonder at the enchanting story. It's a magical star that only visits siblings who truly love each other. Hussein, filled with hope, asks, "Then it can come to us too, right?" In the dimly lit bedroom, shadows dance, setting the stage for a magical night. A tiny glowing star drifts into the room, radiating warmth and wonder. Mirha and Hussein stand side by side, eyes wide with disbelief, as the star hovers before them. The star offers two shining lockets, a symbol of a promise whispered from the heavens. "Mirha and Hussein, your love has reached the sky. Here is my gift. Whenever you care for each other, these will shine brighter." Locked in a tender embrace, Mirha and Hussein vow, "We promise to always protect each other. Always." The lockets glow brighter, a testament to their eternal bond.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.